Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OnePlus Pad Go. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Usually at this point you have to close an ad and then hit while using the app in the pop-up. Lastly, point your camera at the code. Wherever you decided, you need to wait for the transfer to finish. And usually at this point you need to close an ad, but this tablet doesn't seem to have it, so I will just close my app and launch it again to show you. That transfer was successfully performed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!